Hey and welcome, it's Doug with Ultimate Lighting Solutions, and I'm going to show you the first installation of the new Feniex Q3 down in the fog light area. These are the T3, however they're in quad, so Feniex called them the Q3, but it is a quad version of the T3. Flashes red, white, blue, and amber. In this application we're flashing red, white, and blue. We also have them in a blue-white mode, and then also a flood mode. They're synchronizing with the other grill lights, which are also the Feniex Quad surface mount. And then up on the mirrors, I have the quad surface mount as well. And then the interior quad visor, which in this application is the universal mount. And again, here's the same light setup with blue only application. We removed the red in one of the modes, so the grill lights, the mirrors, the visor, everything is just blue and white. We removed the red. And next I will show you the flood mode. This is mode 3, this is the flood mode. So all of the grill lights, the visor, and the mirror lights, everything forward facing is on flood. So again, that's the Q3 down in the bottom. They retail for $49.99. The quad surface mount in the grill, $99. Quad surface mount on the mirrors, $99. And then the quad interior light bar, this one's universal, $8.99. Hit us up at ultimatelightsolutions.net for more pricing. Send us an email at ulsolutions@hotmail.com if you have any questions, or you can give us a call, 281-433-0318. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.